So unfortunately today, I'm filming with my iPhone X, even though I went to Best Buy and bought a DJI Osmo Action camera, and the guy that sold it to me said that the GoPro mounts fit it just fine. So he sold me a mount, he sold me the camera, I came home, went to put the mount to the camera, and no, it doesn't. So anyway, sorry about the crappy videoing, and obviously Caitlin's not here to video me because she's in Nashville shooting in the World NASP 3D Archery Tournament. Priorities. So anywho, so here's the current situation. We got the shipping container number 2 that was delivered, and where the guy dropped it, it's cockeyed, so the doors don't want to open properly. The carport that I moved from the other farm is out of the way, but now is in the way. And over here we have the first shipping container, which is basically full of crap. And we have the camper. And we'll just spin around here, maybe you won't throw up. And so here's the driveway we're gonna drop this rock on, and obviously you can see where I trenched to the pole. And over here where the outlet's going to be off the pole, and as you can see I filled the hole back in, but yeah, we'll have to work on that. And since then, you know, the hurricane came through and rained a lot, and it's just turned into soup. So we'll have to work on that shortly, because the priorities of today are to get this rock down, get the driveway smoothed out because there's a slight hump, and then let's see if we can get this electric conduit finished so that it can be inspected, and then Kenergy can turn on power and we can stop running off a generator, which is a whole nother thing. Oh, and also I need to fix the water so that when I turn it on, this place doesn't turn into the Bellagio.